Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter profile picture quality on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We'll click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down to find the Twitter app, so we will click here on Twitter and we come to this is window. We will click here on for stop, then we click here on OK and we click here on storage, then we come here to storage window and we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.